Welcome to Flash Tutorial Request 18. Click on button, another button appears. I'm going to start by opening a new FLA. I'm going to have ActionScript 2, OK, and the request was to have an invisible button on the stage when you cannot see or use, and a second button, so when the second button is pressed, the invisible button will appear. Let's start by making two buttons. Call this layer Buttons. Make sure frame 1 is selected, and we're going to make two buttons. I have the rectangle tool, highlighting it, modify it, convert it to a symbol, make sure button is selected, and call this one Square, SQUARE _ BTN. Copy that name and paste it here as an instance name. Pick up the corner here and select the oval tool. Hold down the shift. Highlight this. Modify. Convert to symbol. Again, button. Circle. CIRCLE _ BTN. Copy this and give this the instance name. If we test it now, we have two buttons. Lock this layer, insert layer, ActionScript AS. Select frame 1, open the Actions panel, type, and this little bit of code, circle _ BTN period _ visible, VISIBLE, turns blue equals false. Now when we test it, that button is gone. This button is still here. Put this code in, type, Square _ BTN, that's the other button, period, on release, small o, capital R, turns blue, equals function, function turns purple, open close bracket, open curly bracket, copy this, paste it in, and make it true instead of false. Circle _ BTN period _ visible, turns blue, equals true, turns blue, semicolon, close curly bracket. Now when we test it, no button here, click this and this button appears. Now let's look at another way of accomplishing the same thing. Go back to the main timeline, unlock the buttons layer, select frame 1 of the buttons layer, select the circle, make the stage about 25%, and just a circle, move it off the stage area. So now it can't be seen. That's making it invisible. Lock that buttons layer, open the Actions panel. We don't want to see this, so two backslashes or two forward slashes, and that comments that out. Same here, that comments that out, and instead of that, type in this, type. We're going to say circle _ BTN period _ X, that's its X position on the axis, 157, followed by a semicolon. Copy this, paste it here, circle _ BTN period _ Y, these X and Y should turn blue, equals 207. I'm just formatting it here. Now when we try it, it should be the same thing. Only one button, the other one's over here somewhere. Press the button and it appears. It's a very short tutorial. I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and I hope you use what you learned.